Shweta Thapa. I am a mechanical engineer and co-founder of a 3D printing startup called PPEs, where we educate communities on the benefits and uses of 3D printing and how amazing it is as a tool. Today, seeing the current situation where everything's going crazy, we don't have masks, we don't have medical supplies, everything is falling apart, I think 3D printing can solve a problem.
My name is Mariana. I'm a student in US, Basic College in New York. I've been here for almost 2 years. Right now I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help anything what I can do to save some lives, save doctors, save all medical workers, because they need our help. They need help, every person who can.
The first 2 weeks we were staying at Maker Depot, sleeping on the couches, having talks in the morning about what's going on and what we are doing. Our parents were freaking out and were worrying about us. Yeah, and then we decided to slow down a little bit, take shifts.
We currently have 5 3D printers working continuously, non-stop, and printing headbands for the face shields and face masks. They are relentless, but with our current capacity, we can only make 100 face shields a week. The women in our community are working 24/7 with full precautions to produce face shields, cut them on the laser, clean them, properly sanitize them for our medical workers so that they don't have any problems in the future. We clean out the different 3D printed head pieces starting, and then there's a way to join and connect them together. And we're making sure that our community gets the best of everything, especially our medical workers, our doctors who are fighting at the forefront. So we want to make as many masks and visors as possible. The whole process of making a mask, gluing the sticky elastic and comfortable foam is very time consuming, and we have put in all our energy, our hard work, so that we can save our doctors and make lives worth living for each one of us in this planet.
Staying at Maker Depot and a few days Shweta, and then she put this music, really loud Indian music. Probably that was 7 in the morning. We went to check the prints and we just started dancing. As long as we help each other, everything gonna be fine.
Together we can make this happen. As of now, we are making 125 masks and shields in a week. But if we could multiply our capacity tenfold, we could do 1250 in a week and probably reach out to more people, more doctors, and save the world at large. All I need is your support so we can outsource materials, get more printers, and save humanity. We are all in this together, and I really wish from the bottom of my heart that we can fight this battle. Thank you so much for all your support and all the people who have been working out with us day and night. It's been crazy.